Alrighty, here's a quick video on how to use the basic functions of the GTS touchscreen system on your Harley Davidson. So first thing, super simple, it's just going to be your music. So if you go in here on the left side, touch that right there, it's going to bring up your radio. You can see here we're on a station and we can set presets. If you want to set a preset, just go to it, whatever station you're on. Let's say we want to save 107.9, hold it down, and now we have that saved as a preset. Cool, so next thing is just gonna be switching between FM, AM, and your Bluetooth. If you wanna do that, go up here to the top, click on that, and there you have your AM, FM, and your Bluetooth will show up right here in this square. Just click on whichever one you wanna go to. Now, your basic functions with your radio, if you wanna turn your volume up or down, or if you wanted to skip songs with your Bluetooth or tune your station, you're gonna go over here onto your left handlebar, and this knob right here is going to be the controls for that. So left and right is going to be forward and backwards, and then up and down is going to be your volume. So you see when we go up, it's doing that, down, and then we let that go away quick. If we go left, we go back in the stations, and if we go right, we go up in the stations. So that's kind of the basic things there. Now, next thing to show you is kind of how to connect your phone for that Bluetooth functionality, since that is a great option that comes with this sound system. So you're gonna go down here into the little settings tab. You're gonna scroll down here until you see the Bluetooth setup. You're gonna click on that, turn that on. You're gonna go to list paired devices. So when you get in there, you're gonna add a new device. So when you do that, it's gonna search. That's when you're gonna pull up your Bluetooth on your phone and go into the pairing for that as well, and just look for the Harley or the GTS, and then you'll be able to pair your Bluetooth. So the next thing to show you is the navigation. That's one of the coolest features about this system, in my opinion. So it's gonna be the middle icon here on your home screen. So you're gonna go there, it's just gonna bring up a map of where you are. The little blue arrow is where you are. You can move that around with your fingers if you wanted to. You can zoom in and out. So super cool things you can see there. Really useful information on this navigation. If you want to search a specific place to go, you're going to go over here to the search button right there. Click on that. And then you can go, you can see there's a bunch of different options we have here. If you have your home location set, you can go and press that. It'll take you right there. You can save other locations. And then you can also, on the bottom here, you can see we have certain point of interest. So if you want to go to a gas station, it'll bring up a list of gas stations, restaurants, hotels, Harley shops, and hospitals, which is pretty cool to have that. Otherwise, if you know where you're going, you can search right here, and it'll bring up a keyboard. This is where you can kind of type in an address if you have a specific place you want it to go. Otherwise, if you know you want to go to, let's say, Subway, for example, you can just type that in right here. So we're going to Subway, then we hit the search button in the top right. It's gonna bring us up a list of them. We can just pick where we wanna go.
The route is being calculated.
Then we just hit the go button if we wanna go there. Otherwise, this is where if you wanna have one of those saved locations, you can hit that button. And yeah, super cool there. So
please
if we hit go,
to the highlighted route.
We see it brings us up a purple line, and it's gonna give us step-by-step directions on where to go. Now, if you wanna cancel your route, because it won't cancel automatically, you just hit the stop button in the bottom right there. Super cool stuff there for you. And then the last thing to show you real quick is just the kind of information side of this. So in the right side here, you see the little eye with the circle around it. If you click on that, it's gonna bring up a bunch of info. You have your trip info, your elevation. If you go here, you can see your service information, when you need to be serviced, all that stuff. And then if your bike is equipped with RDRS, there'll be an option in this screen which will also show you your tire pressure monitoring system. So you can see what tire pressures you have. So super cool stuff here with the GTS audio and touchscreen system. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call at the Harley store, and I'd love to help you out.